Hi, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is Sea Ray SDX. Super roomy boat for a 25-footer. Let's take a look at some of the nicer features. One of the things I really like about this stern drive version of the 250 SDX is this flip down seat. This you can flip down, goes down in the water, and then you've got a nice place to sit in the water on the back of the boat, keeping your feet cool. Great, two people can sit on that, fit on that seat right there. As we're coming on board, you've got storage right here. You've got storage right here. Look at the size of this back seat on here. Let me show you how nice you fit on here. Plenty of room. You can fit 3 people wide on here. Drink holder right there. Drink holder on that side. You've also got a charger for your USB charger right here for your cell phone. Perfect back seat. If you're not seating facing backwards, just flip this the other direction, and now you've got a great forward-facing seat that just adds to this great cockpit that you have on this boat, making a great conversation area, entertaining area on the 25 SDX. This particular boat has got the MerCruiser 4.5 liter. That's an engine that was built by MerCruiser from the ground up as a marine engine, not like some of our competitors that basically they've taken a car block and they've turned it into a boat engine. This was built specifically for the marine environment, and it holds up to it. Great 250 horsepower engine. When you're pulling skis or tubers, you've got to have a spotter watching those skiers or tubers behind you. Look at the comfortable seat somebody's going to have right here when you're pulling the kids. What a great place to sit and not creak your neck because you're having to turn your head sideways to look backwards. The driver's seat here is equally as comfortable. You can have the option if you want to stand up. You just flip up that little bolster right there. You've got plenty of stand-up room. You want to sit on top of it so that you've got a better view. You can sit on top of it or put it down for those long rides and get behind the windshield a little bit. You've got the Simrad multifunction display, Fusion stereo, nice and clean installation here. A couple of drink holders. You don't have a bunch of gauges, analog gauges spread out all over the place. Here's one thing that's really different with the 25 SDX though. Take a look at down inside the head area. That is really big. If you haven't seen the 25 SDX and you want some roomy storage and a roomy head, a place to go change, all that, this boat's going to be perfect for you for that. So what makes this different too, how you've got all that room, is this is a side walkthrough. So you see as you go into the bow, you've got a side walkthrough. Again, super roomy in the front. Somebody that's tall has plenty of room to stretch out. If you want to sit 4 or 5 people up here, you've got room here to sit 3, a couple more up there. Great roomy bow seating area. If you nose into a beach somewhere, you've got a beach boarding ladder coming off the bow of the 25 SDX. This boat's in the showroom at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Nice and cool. Come by and take a look at it inside. Ask for me, I'm Grant.